Hey everybody, today on Hoopty Garage we're going to be redoing the headliner in a fabric that I picked up at Joann's for just 15 bucks.
First thing is to remove the sun visors and any other thing that is holding up your crusty headliner. A good tip is to keep all your bits and little pieces separate so you don't get confused when putting it back together. And remember to be careful when removing your trim pieces. Screw the dome light, unplug the harness, and pull your free headliner out through the doors or the rear hatch if you drive a hatchback. Be careful, it's gonna be crusty.
Alright, with the headliner out of the car now, we can get down to stripping all the old fabric off and getting it ready for the adhesive.
Breathe you in like oxygen. Oh, in an otherwise suffocating world, I'm reaching out for arms, I'm drowning in the open-ended love we're making, girl. Exhale the past, inhale the future that lasts. Change my heart, change my mind.
Alright, this is the fabric that I picked up from Joann's for like 15 bucks that we're doing the headliner in. I know it's kind of cliche with, you know, do-it-yourself car people, the space. Oh, you're not driving a Subaru. It's fine. It's something I like. It looks decent, and I'm hoping it goes on pretty well. So let's do it.
Laying the fabric down on the headliner after you've sprayed adhesive is always easier if you have a buddy.
All right, the headliner's done. We're just gonna let it cure overnight, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, you guys, it is the next day. I'm gonna go ahead and get it installed, and we can see what it looks like after everything's done.
1 hour later.
All right, you guys, it is back in the car. It didn't take me that long, but it looks incredible. I can't wait for you guys to see it.